We embed in courses modules that are help the students build skills that are specifically needed from industry at the time of the interview. These skills include, for example, programming, cybersecurity, intellectual property. Hands-on experience is promoted in the college in various ways. For example, we have project-oriented courses. We have a 2-semester sequence of a senior capstone design project that is usually funded by industry or federal labs. We have internship experiences for undergraduates, for students and graduate students. I would say that this year we have 516 internship experiences for our students, and our goal is to have at least one internship experience for every one of our graduates. One of our major goals is to grow global citizens, and I think I believe that international students actually create the best environment for that. Now, why FAU? Why should an international student come to FAU? For many reasons. We genuinely care about the development, the growth of the individual student. We genuinely care about the prosperity of the student, of the preparation for jobs and for a good preparation for a job in a technological environment that changes so fast.